Boom! Another package from Shopee. We are back opening packages from Shopee. I'm so happy that I get to be able to do this since it brings joy and excitement into my life while I'm at home, stuck at home. For all the delivery people who delivers these packages, I know that you're really working hard for us to get these packages, no? And thank you so much. This is ordered by my wife, and she thinks that our son Calvin really needs this. This product is already very popular with all the people around the world, especially here in the Philippines where the weather is sometimes very hot. My son Calvin is already drinking water, and he really prefers to drink his water cold. So we my wife decided that he should have his own tumbler, and let's find out which tumbler brand she bought from Shopee. So I'll show you the label, guys. This is the label. Okay, so the packaging here, I think this is wrapped with bubble wrap, and there's a box inside, and this is from Mr. Rick. It's from Metro Manila, Binondo. It says here that it has one quantity, and this is delivered by SPX Express, so maybe Shopee Express delivery. Will not keep you waiting. I will open this already and see what tumbler, what brand of tumbler my wife bought. Let's open the package or the parcel in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Wow. So aside from the packaging, there's another packaging inside, and this is, I think, is a bubble wrap. This bubble wrap with a color black is very exciting because you don't know what's inside yet after opening the shipping plastic that comes with the shipper. So another excitement going on here. So let's open it, right? This is a bubble wrap, black bubble wrap. It's really good, no? Okay, opening. 5, 4, 3, 2, boom. A box, a white box. Let's see. Boom. Ta-da! So it's a box. Then let's open what's inside. In 3, 2, 1. Boom. Wow. Another bubble wrap protecting what's inside. There's also a recycled uh, pouch. And let's see what's inside. Pupat. So my wife bought a Hydro Flask. It's a Hydro Flask. The brand name is Hydro Flask, and it's in silver. And I think this is very durable. Here's the cover. Wow. So I guess you need a straw out here. Where's the straw? Oh, here's the straw. Okay, so you put the straw here. This cover is not complete without the straw. If you did not get any straw, then you should complain. Let's see inside. So seller, no, I just have a concern about this because there's a stain over here at the back. But for sure, when time goes by, you will always have this stain, but it just looks like it's not new, no? So seller, Mr. Rick, maybe this is the one that is used for display. It's okay, since the most important thing is keeping your water cold or hot. This is a 12 ounce wide mouth with flex slip lid. So 12 ounces. I hope this is an original because this costs like around 280 89 pesos. Back then, when this technology was very new, uh, a tumbler like this cost like around 10,000 pesos. If I remember, the brand was Tiger. So it keeps your water very cold for around 24 to 72 hours. And when that technology was widely available, there's a lot of other brands that keeps on popping out. You can personalize these tumblers with your name. So it's very popular now and it's more cheaper. You can now only buy this for a low price. Like this, it's 289 pesos. It's really nice to get these products that are very helpful for your day-to-day life, especially when it's so hot and you're so thirsty. You need water that's cold. You have it with you all the time, no? And I'm thankful that this innovation got very cheap nowadays to buy. So see you next time for another unwrapping and unboxing of parcels. I'm very happy to really keep on doing this. For the sellers, here's your good product, good service, and keep on doing what you do. Thank you so much. Bye.